Hello and welcome to the Brunel Building. This is our latest exciting development. It's a 15-storey office with a retail space at ground floor that fronts straight onto the canal. About 4 years ago we completed the design, we had planning in place, and we started negotiating with Laing O'Rourke to build the project. And in 2016 we started works on site, which effectively was demolishing the 5 buildings that were here. Last year was all about getting the concrete cores up and getting the structure up. So what you see around us today basically is the culmination of getting the whole frame in place and much of the cladding system ready for the building to complete in H1 next year. We've recently celebrated the Brunel Building topping out. This is a magic moment where basically the structure has reached its highest point. From this moment, it then leads on to the next key stages where now that the structure's in place, we can now get all the finishes into the building and also complete all the mechanical and electrical arrangement. The original building on site was the Richard Seaford building, which was a concrete brutalist building, and this gave us some of our inspiration. Some of the things that we love about our buildings within the portfolio are all the space and light and all the structure being on display. Across the way at Paddington station, a station designed by Brunel, and also we've got all this great industrial heritage with the Grand Union Canal. Now we took those elements and we wanted to put some of those kind of key elements on display. So we've got the concrete walls, the concrete soffits that are all on display, so our structure is also our final finish. We've also got an exoskeleton steel frame that wraps around the building. Now not only is this a great feature, but the beams span from the internal cores outside through the structure, and this gives this incredible feeling of space and light and this column-free environment within all of our office space inside the building. The last 2 months has seen some incredible letting interest at the Brunel Building. We've already let the top 7 floors to 2 different tenants, and there's a lot of interest in the lower floors, which is a really exciting moment for us. At ground floor we've got this magnificent retail space. There's 5,500 square foot that backs onto our reception, but most importantly it also fronts onto the canal. The new development has given this great opportunity where we've stepped back our existing building and we've opened up the canal front. The public walk up and down the canal with a new lift and a new staircase onto Bishopsbridge Road and connect straight into Paddington station. We've been really excited with how the project's gone so far. The quality has hit all of our aspirations, the tenant interest is magnificent, and we're really looking forward to completion.